Imagine reaching into your pocket and pulling out a coin worth far more than its face value. A coin that most people would spend without a second thought. Yet collectors are willing to pay thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of dollars to own. It may sound unbelievable, but this has happened many times in the world of coin collecting. Hidden among ordinary coins are rare treasures that have turned simple pocket change into life-changing discoveries. One of the most fascinating examples is the Jefferson Nickel. First introduced in 1938, the Jefferson Nickel has been a part of everyday American life for generations. Billions of these coins have been produced, and most are worth only 5 cents. However, a small number of them stand out from the rest. Because of rare minting errors, low production numbers, unique varieties, and exceptionally preserved conditions, some Jefferson Nickels have become legendary among collectors. Over the years, rare Jefferson Nickels have sold for incredible amounts of money at auctions. Certain examples have brought in tens of thousands of dollars, while others have crossed the six-figure mark. These astonishing prices have made collectors search through old coin collections, piggy banks, inherited coin jars, and even everyday pocket change in hopes of finding the next hidden treasure. But here's the exciting part. Many people don't realize what they have. Valuable nickels are often mistaken for ordinary coins and can sit unnoticed for decades. A coin that looks completely normal at first glance could contain a rare error, a special mint mark, or a unique variety that collectors desperately want. That means one of these valuable Jefferson Nickels could be hiding in your collection right now. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the most valuable Jefferson Nickels ever discovered. We'll look at the rare dates, the fascinating stories behind these coins, the minting mistakes that made them famous, and the incredible prices they have achieved in the collector market. Some of the values you're about to hear may seem impossible for a 5-cent coin, but they are absolutely real. So before you spend another nickel, make sure you watch this video until the very end. The next coin we discuss could be sitting in your drawer, your wallet, or an old collection passed down through your family. Let's begin our journey into the world of the most valuable Jefferson Nickels that could be worth a small fortune, or even change your life forever. The first coin on our list is one of the most famous and valuable Jefferson Nickels ever discovered, the legendary 1939 Jefferson Nickel with the rare, Doubled Monticello variety. At first glance, this coin may look like an ordinary 5-cent piece, but hidden within its design is a mistake that transformed it into one of the most sought-after treasures in American coin collecting history. Back in 1939, the Jefferson Nickel series was still very new. The United States Mint had only recently introduced the design, replacing the Buffalo nickel. Millions of Americans used these coins every day without realizing that a small number left. The Denver Mint, carrying a remarkable error. On certain examples, the word Monticello on the reverse appears doubled, creating a dramatic visual effect that immediately caught the attention of sharp-eyed collectors. For years, many of these nickels circulated unnoticed through stores, banks, and cash registers. People spent them like ordinary coins, completely unaware that they possessed a rare variety that would one day become highly valuable. As coin collecting grew in popularity, experts began identifying these unusual nickels, and demand exploded among collectors who wanted to own one of the most famous Jefferson Nickel errors ever produced. The astonishing part of the story is how such a tiny, minting mistake created enormous value. While regular 1939 nickels are usually worth only a small amount, the rare Doubled Monticello variety became a collector sensation. High-grade examples started commanding impressive prices, and the finest known specimens shocked the coin world by selling for extraordinary amounts at major auctions. Today, exceptional examples of the 1939 Doubled Monticello Jefferson Nickel have sold for tens of thousands of dollars. Some pristine specimens graded at the highest levels have reached values exceeding $50,000, making this tiny 5-cent coin one of the most valuable Jefferson Nickels collectors dream of finding. Imagine discovering that a nickel sitting unnoticed in an old collection for decades was actually worth more than a luxury car. That possibility is exactly what makes rare Jefferson Nickels so fascinating. And incredibly, this is only the beginning of our list. The next coins become even rarer, more mysterious, and far more valuable. The next coin on our list is the famous 1950 Jefferson Nickel, a coin that created one of the biggest collecting frenzies in American numismatic history. Unlike many valuable coins that became rare because of errors, this nickel became legendary because of its extremely low mintage. In 1950, the Denver Mint produced only about 2.6 million Jefferson Nickels, the lowest mintage of the entire regular Jefferson Nickel series. As soon as collectors learned how few had been made, they rushed to banks and post offices to obtain rolls of the coin. People began hoarding them by the thousands, believing they had discovered a future rarity. The excitement surrounding the 1950D nickel was unlike anything seen before for a modern American coin. Dealers bought entire bags, collectors stored away rolls, and newspapers reported on the growing demand. Many people believed they would become rich simply by saving these nickels. As a result, far more examples survived than with most low-mintage coins, creating a fascinating story in the hobby. Even though many were saved, finding one in exceptional condition remains a challenge. The finest known examples display razor-sharp details, brilliant luster, and virtually no marks from circulation. These top-grade specimens are the ones that bring astonishing prices at auction. While circulated examples may be worth only a modest premium, the best certified examples have sold for thousands of dollars. Some of the highest-graded 1950D Jefferson Nickels have realized prices exceeding $15,000 at major auctions, proving that condition can make an enormous difference in value. The story of the 1950D Jefferson Nickel shows how a simple production decision at the mint created a coin that collectors still chase more than 70 years later. It remains one of the most famous key dates in the Jefferson Nickel series and a coin every serious collector hopes to add to their collection. And if you think a nickel worth thousands of dollars is impressive, wait until you see the next coin on our list. Its rarity and value have stunned collectors for decades. The next coin on our list is the extraordinary 1942D over horizontal D Jefferson Nickel, one of the most fascinating minting varieties ever discovered in the series. This coin tells a story of a small mistake at the Denver Mint that went unnoticed during production but later became one of the most sought-after treasures among Jefferson Nickel collectors. In 1942, the United States was entering a period of dramatic change as World War II affected nearly every aspect of American life, including coin production. During the preparation of a die at the Denver Mint, a mint mark was accidentally punched into the die in the wrong position. Rather than discarding the die, the mint mark was corrected by punching another D over the original one. The result was a rare variety now known as the D over horizontal D. To the average person, this nickel looks completely ordinary, but under magnification, collectors can clearly see evidence of the original horizontal mint mark beneath the corrected one. This unusual feature transformed an everyday 5-cent coin into a prized collectible worth far more than its face value. For decades, many examples circulated unnoticed throughout the country. People spent them in stores, carried them in their pockets, and dropped them into piggy banks. Without realizing, they possessed a rare piece of minting history. As knowledge of the variety spread, collectors began searching tirelessly through rolls and collections hoping to find one. Today, the 1942D over horizontal D Jefferson Nickel is considered one of the most important varieties in the entire series. Lower-grade examples can bring respectable premiums, while high-grade specimens with strong details and beautiful surfaces can command astonishing prices. The finest certified examples have sold for well over $10,000, and demand remains strong among serious collectors. What makes this coin especially exciting is that its value comes from a mistake that most people would never notice. Without careful inspection, a tiny error made more than 80 years ago turned an ordinary nickel into a coin worth a small fortune. And remarkably, even this impressive rarity is not the most valuable Jefferson nickel on our list. The next coin has a story so unusual that collectors still talk about it today, and its value can reach levels that leave people absolutely speechless. The next coin on our list is the legendary 1943P Jefferson War Nickel, a coin born during one of the most important periods in American history. While millions of these nickels were produced during World War II, a small number of extraordinary examples have become some of the most valuable Jefferson Nickels ever sold. In 1943, the United States needed vast amounts of nickel metal for military equipment and weapons. To conserve this critical resource, the U.S. Mint changed the composition of the Jefferson Nickel. Instead of the traditional nickel alloy, these special wartime coins were struck using a unique mixture of silver, copper, and manganese. This marked the first time in American history that a large mint mark appeared above Monticello, on the reverse of a circulating coin. At the time, most Americans paid little attention to the change. They spent these nickels on everyday purchases, unaware that they were carrying a unique piece of World War II history. Decades later, collectors became fascinated by the wartime nickels, especially those preserved in extraordinary condition. What makes certain 1943P Jefferson Nickels so valuable is not just their historical significance, but also their remarkable quality. Coins displaying full steps on Monticello, where every step is clearly visible and sharply struck, are extremely difficult to find. These full steps examples are highly prized because they represent the finest quality produced by the mint. The rarest high-grade full steps specimens have stunned the collecting world at auction. Some examples have sold for more than $20,000, while elite specimens in superb condition have reached even higher prices. Imagine a coin that once bought a small item during wartime, now being worth more than many brand new cars. The story of the 1943 P-War. Nickel reminds us that history and rarity often combine to create extraordinary value. A coin created during a global conflict became a treasured collectible, admired by generations of collectors. But the coins ahead are even more astonishing. The next Jefferson Nickel features a rarity that has pushed values into truly remarkable territory, making it one of the dream finds of every serious coin collector. The next coin on our list is the incredible 1938 Jefferson Nickel, the very first Denver Mint issue of the Jefferson Nickel series and one of the most desirable coins for serious collectors. While millions were produced, finding one in truly exceptional condition has become extraordinarily difficult, and that challenge has driven prices to astonishing levels. When the Jefferson Nickel was introduced in 1938, Americans were eager to see the new design featuring President Thomas Jefferson on the obverse and his famous home, Monticello, on the reverse. The Denver Mint struck millions of these coins, and they quickly entered circulation across the country. Most were heavily used in everyday commerce, resulting in worn examples that are common today. However, a small number escaped circulation and remained in remarkable condition. These coins retained their original mint luster, sharp details, and attractive surfaces. Among them, the rarest are those displaying the coveted full steps designation, where every step of Monticello is clearly visible. Because of striking difficulties at the mint, achieving this level of detail was uncommon, making these coins especially valuable. As collectors competed for the finest examples, prices began climbing dramatically. High-grade full-step specimens became legendary within the hobby. The best-known examples have sold for more than $30,000 at auction, turning an ordinary 5-cent coin into a major numismatic treasure. What makes the 1938 Jefferson Nickel so fascinating is that it represents the beginning of an iconic American coin series. It is a coin that connects collectors to the very first year of Jefferson Nickel production while offering the possibility of tremendous value in top condition. Imagine finding a nickel that has survived nearly a century in pristine condition and is now worth tens of thousands of dollars. That's exactly why collectors spend countless hours searching through old collections and inherited coin albums, and we're not done yet. The next coin on our list is even rarer, with values that can climb into the six-figure range, making it one of the most coveted Jefferson Nickels ever discovered. The next coin on our list is the astonishing 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel, a coin so rare and mysterious that it has become one of the greatest treasures in the entire Jefferson Nickel series. Unlike most valuable coins, this nickel story is surrounded by mystery, and even today collectors continue to debate exactly why it was created. In 1964, the United States Mint was facing a nationwide coin shortage. To keep enough coins in circulation, the Mint suspended the production of official proof sets. Yet somehow, a tiny number of specially struck 1964 Jefferson Nickels appeared with an unusual finish unlike ordinary circulation coins. These coins displayed exceptionally sharp details, smooth satin-like surfaces, and a level of quality that immediately set them apart. Experts eventually classified these mysterious pieces as special mint set or SMS coins. What makes them extraordinary is their incredible rarity. Only a handful are known to exist, making them far rarer than many famous American coin rarities. Because so few examples have been discovered, every appearance at auction attracts tremendous attention from collectors and investors alike. The mystery surrounding the 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel only adds to its appeal. No official records clearly explain why these coins were produced or how they escaped into private hands. Some researchers believe they were experimental strikes, while others think they may have been presentation pieces created for mint officials. Whatever their origin, they remain among the most enigmatic coins in modern American numismatics. When one of these rare nickels appears on the market, the results can be breathtaking. Exceptional examples have sold for tens of thousands of dollars, and some have exceeded $100,000 at major auctions. Imagine a coin with a face value of just 5 cents, being worth more than a luxury home in many parts of the world. The 1964 SMS Jefferson Nickel proves that rarity and mystery can create extraordinary value. Its tiny population, fascinating history, and intense collector demand have made it one of the ultimate prizes in the Jefferson Nickel series. And yet, Even this six-figure rarity is not the most valuable coin on our list. The final coins ahead have achieved legendary status and have sold for amounts that most people would never imagine, possible for a simple Jefferson nickel. And there you have it, the most valuable Jefferson. Nickels that have amazed collectors and auction houses with their incredible prices, from rare minting errors and low mintage issues to mysterious, special strikes worth more than 100,000. These coins prove that even a simple 5-cent piece can become a life-changing treasure. The most exciting part is that valuable coins are still being discovered today. Many rare Jefferson Nickels remain hidden in old collections. Coin jars, piggy banks, inherited albums, and even everyday pocket change. That means the next valuable nickel could be much closer than you think. Before you spend or exchange any old nickels, take a closer look. Check the dates, mint marks, condition, and possible errors. A few moments of careful inspection could reveal a coin worth hundreds, thousands, or even a fortune.